Got her all settled down there?
My name's Matt.
What?
Matt.
Matt, I'm Tolbert.
Hello, Tolbert.
Glad you could stop by. What can I do for you?
Well, I need a few things.
Yeah, that's what I'm here for. Where you headed?
Well, I'm going up the road.
Trapping?
Yeah. And I need, what the hell do I need?
Well, I'll tell you one thing you're gonna need for sure. A piece of rawhide to tie that hair of yourn on with.
My friend, I've come across the Great Divide and all the Rocky Mountains, and I still have it on my head, as you can plainly see.
My friend, you ain't crossed Paiute country yet, neither, as I can plainly see.
What's that?
Pyute.
Paiute?
Pyute.
That's funny, because could I have something warm for her to drink?
Kind of stout?
Why not?
Hot coffee and rum.
Rum? You ain't got any whiskey, do you?
Looky here.
You know, you're not a bad man to run onto, are you?
You betcha.
I would like one of those.
You're gonna get one. Coffee's right over there. That'll be 15 cents. Well, you can pay me when you get back over here.
Yeah, forgot about that.
Yeah.
There's coffee. You know, she said something about that. We passed the camp yesterday, Indian camp, you know, and she said that Pyute, one of them squaws saw us. They didn't do nothing. I mean, what's so special about them?
It ain't the squaws you gotta worry about. It's the men you gotta hide from. Well, you won't believe it. Look right here. Let me show you something. Look at that. Look right there. About 6 years ago, them damn Paiutes jumped me early one morning. I set some traps up on the road.
How far down does it go?
Way down there.
Healed up good, though, didn't it?
Yeah, it just pinched right together.
It's a long way from your heart.
Huh.
What'd the other fella look like?
Well, I kept one of them's head on a stick out back for the rest of that winter. That's right. Come summer, though, he started to thaw out on me. He did. Just thought. Began to stink, so I finally had to throw him away.
Yeah. How's the trapping been up there on them lines for the fellas, for beaver, mink?
Oh, trapping's been real good. I mean, more mink, more beaver this year than ever I seen.
I suppose that means that gonna be a lower price for the hide, huh?
Oh, lots of hides does bring down the prices.
What is that?
That real pretty new rifle over there,
What the hell is it?
that's a Henry repeater.
Huh?
A
Repeater. What do you mean?
I mean, it'll fire 15 times before you have to reload it.
All right, you're a trading man. Now listen, I'm gonna need about 6 number 4 traps.
Wait a minute. You know, look at that. Look here now. That's 44 caliber. It'll fire 15 times. You don't gotta do nothing but pull this here down.
I need things now. Come on. Don't make jokes.
Yeah, you don't plug your ears. Just plug your ears. Plug your ears. Yeah, 44 caliber, it'll fire 15 times, my friend.
May I hold that for a minute?
Yeah. Careful. Brand new.
How in the hell does this work?
Push that thing. Push it down. See the shell come? Look.
What?
Fire! Right over that way. Yeah, right over there. Do it again. Push that thing down.
My God.
Go get him. I better hold that. I better, yeah, you know what I mean?
Now, wait a minute. What do they get for those?
Take a $20 gold piece. Get that rifle.
Well, I haven't got a $20 gold piece. Now, I've got a fine hawk in here. It shoots straight as you look like a trading man, aren't you?
Got a whole rack full of Hawkins.
I want it, trader.
Well, why don't you come on back and look at it from time to time? It'll be right over here. $20 is all it takes.
You keep that here, because I'm going to be back for it.
15 times without reloading. You wouldn't have been scared and hurt and everything. You wouldn't have lost your friend. Come on over. God! 15 times.
Henry repeating rifle. Been a dead bear and live horse.
A brave reached camp, told of battle between our warriors and Modoc people on River of Swift Water. Many hurt, some killed. We were to meet and bury warriors before second sun. It's hard for me this time. 2 days before, I'd lost my new son of only 1 moon to great fever.
Ho!
Now, I don't know. Old Patrick Shea gave me that map at the rendezvous. He didn't say anything about the cabin being torn down.
I'll build a fire up here.